Here's a little parcel of Nobby Opal from Lightning Ridge. Rules in millimeters, materials being wetted. These are still in hard parent material, so hard that continue to tumble would just break it up. That piece is just probably just mostly potch. This material on the side here is clear to honey potch, so sometimes that's used to facet if it's got colour in it. That particular piece doesn't look like it. But in saying that, it's still worth sawing it through in stages. This clay is just impregnated with the opal rather than being knobby. It's just little finger webs, so maybe just keep that as a specimen. Little knobbies coming through there. Might just go in a little bit closer. It's a bit better. Give you a better idea. Bubble in it there. Makes you wonder how it happens. Bit of honey potch. It might facet that piece. That's interesting. Two-tone. Dead black and almost crystal clear. And itself is just an interesting little piece. Bit of colour showing there. Something like that, just fine saw blade, cut it through. Fine knobbies there. Anyway, hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.